Welcome back. In the lead up to the India Energy Week 2025, India's position in the global energy markets has been a topic of significant discussion. The country continues to navigate complex international dynamics to secure affordable and reliable energy supplies for its populace. Set to commence on February 11th at Yashobhoomi Dwarka in New Delhi, India Energy Week 2025 will highlight energy access, security, affordability and sustainability while encouraging cross-border cooperation and collaboration. At a recent press conference, Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas, Hardeep Singh Puri, shed light on India's approach to engaging with global energy suppliers and the strategies employed to mitigate market volatility. He also touched upon the importance of diversifying energy sources to ensure long-term stability. Here's his insights on India's proactive measures in the global energy arena.
The Prime Minister's commitment is to making energy available at all times in the most affordable manner along with transition to green energy. Okay? So we are not committed to buying any quantity from anyone. We are committed to buying the most economically priced energy of the grade of crude that you want at all points of time. Today the most important thing is energy is available in abundant supply. What do I mean by that? More and more crude is coming onto the market in spite of the cutbacks which came from some of the producers. Today, Western Hemisphere, more energy is coming on. You know, the industry requires adjustment, investment, etc. And also a lot of depends on the international price. If the international price falls beyond a little bit, which is music to the ears of someone like me, some people may not think it worthwhile putting large amounts of money in the E&P business. But these are all situations which we navigate as we go along.
And well, with the India Energy Week set to commence its third edition from the 11th to 14th of February, conversations around the event's highlights and propositions for budding and established entrepreneurs is coming to the fore. To be held at Yashobhoomi in Dwarka of New Delhi, this year's event is putting forth many propositions to further promote the spirit of entrepreneurship and innovation in India. In the same regard, the event will have a lot of attractions for the general audience and the entrepreneurs in the nation, highlighting cutting-edge advancements and allowing conversations and interactions with the market influencers, leaders and policymakers are amongst the many USPs of the event this year. Pankaj Jain, the Secretary, Ministry for Petroleum and Natural Gas, elaborated on these aspects of the event during a recent press conference, relaying details like the hackathons to be held at the venue. Here's what he had to say.
The fact that we have, an open to the exhibition itself becomes open to the public, particularly on day 4, where it's fully available, and a lot of people can actually go to the site and be able to access even on the first 3 days. And this is not paid for. This is, at request we can do that. This also enables a lot of students, lot of people who are working in the area to be able to see and interact with oil industry majors, to see pavilions and to see cutting-edge work happening in oil and gas in various parts of the world. All that gets showcased here. The other big thing here is about the engagement with startups and the engagements around technology. So there is a hackathon which is part of this event. There is a startup challenge which is called the Avinya Energy Startup Challenge 2.0. That is also happening here. So that's the other element here.
And well, with that, we're slipping into a very short break here. Don't go anywhere.